Hi guys, I'm Lakshit
I'm Tanish.
and we are from the Always Boys YouTube channel. Today we're going to teach you something about chess. So chess is a board game which includes a lot of thinking, okay? So today we're going to teach you the pieces in chess, how to set up the board and etc etc.
How they move.
Yeah, that's one. How they move. So now the pieces. But before I now this this piece over here, as you can see, is the king. This is the queen. This is a rook. This is a knight. Knight does not spell like N-I-G-H-T. It is K-N-I-G-H-T, but the K is silent. This is the bishop. This is a pawn. Pawn. Now let me say you an interesting fact. Chess stands for C for chariot, which means the bishop. H for horse, which means the knight. E for elephant, which means the rook. And those two S stands for soldiers, which means the pawn. Now, how to set up the board? So the king. So this is how the board is set up. Let me just show you. This is going to take a while actually. Just kidding. Oh wait, that is wrong. This is wrong. So there are two colors in chess, white and black. Okay. Now this is how the board should be set up. But if you set the queen like this and you set the king like this, like if you set up like this, it's wrong because the white queen the white queen should be in a white square, say, and the black queen should be in a black square. Okay, it's like that. Now, how does the pieces move? Okay, how does the pieces move? So now the king can only move one square. So Tanish will show you how it can move. Yes, it can only move one square at a time. Now, this forms a shape. This forms a shape. Tanish, can you show that shape? The square. It forms a square. Or let me show it. Yeah, fine. Tanish did it. No problem. So this is how it happens. Now our next piece will be the queen. The queen. Tanish, what the queen is the most powerful piece in the game. So show how it's the most powerful piece. Yes, yes. It can move to all these squares. So it is known as the most powerful piece in the game. If you lose your queen in the game, then your opponent have a more chance of winning. Okay, so it can go to it can go to this diagonal, this diagonal, this diagonal, and blah blah blah. Like here, it can go to here, and then it can go here, 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 and all
Yeah,
those.
it can go in the way of bishops and rooks.
Yes, it can go in a space of bishops and rooks. But now we are, as you do not know about that, we will show you. So the rook. So the rook can only move in a straight line. It cannot go like the bishop, like the queen, like going like in the diagonal. It can only go in a straight line, like how Tanish is showing. Only in a straight line. It can only go here, 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 and here. Nowhere else. Next is the knight. So knight has a special feature. It moves in a L shape. It cannot move straight. It cannot move diagonal. It can move only in a L shape. Tanish, please show it. It's okay. It can only move in a L shape. So now, as that was the knight, which can move in a L shape. Now bishop. The bishop can move diagonally, but there are two bishops: the white bishop and the black bishop. I mean the dark bishop. Okay. So the dark bishop can move in dark squares, and the white bishop can move. The light bishop can move in the white squares. Okay. Now pawns. Pawns cannot be set up like that. I have to show you like this. Pawn can only move like the king one square. But if the pawn is like here, as I showed you in the starting of the game, the pawn stays like here. The pawn can move two squares at the first turn, and the next turn when they move it, it can only start by moving one square. Okay. And if the pawn somehow reaches the that we will show you in the other episode, not now. So those were all the pieces. We showed you the pieces, we showed you how to set up the board, we showed you how the pieces move. Okay, so that's it for today's video. So next video we will teach you something else. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.